What happens when treatment meets holism? When your provider not only treats you but empowers you to become your best self? What happens when clinical expertise meets the first-hand experience of a patient? At OM Physio PGH, healing is more than treatment, it's transformation. Hi everyone, I am Rajvee Shah, Raj for short. I am a breast cancer survivor myself, and I specialize in oncology, lymphedema, and pelvic floor physical therapy. I have been a physical therapist since 2006, starting in orthopedics before specializing in pelvic floor and oncology rehab. This work is my ikigai, my life's purpose, to raise awareness and provide holistic care for some of the most overlooked and challenging symptoms people face. Conditions like urinary incontinence, bowel dysfunction, pain with penetration, and swelling after cancer treatments can be tough to talk about. I know this firsthand, both as a provider and as a patient. My own journey has given me a deeper connection to my work, allowing me to help others navigate these challenges with empathy, expertise, and a truly integrative approach to healing. Currently, my office is in Lawrenceville, PA on 34th and Butler Street. It is a small, intimate setup, suitable for working one-on-one with my patients. I am the sole provider at my practice because I wanted to create a stress-free, patient-centered space, one that does not feel like a typical medical environment. By eliminating the unnecessary in-betweens, it's just me and my patients, ensuring a more personalized and calming experience. My mission is to simplify complex health challenges by taking a whole body, holistic approach to oncology and pelvic-related conditions. By empowering patients to understand and manage their symptoms independently over time. Visit my website at omphysiopgh.com to learn more about me and my services. If I can support you in your recovery, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, healing starts with you. Take the first step today.